So this is the process on how to install Windows Server 2012 R2. So first, I click New and create VM name. So here I've select the OS version that is capable to my Windows. And here I've checked the specification of the virtual network and then click next, and I go to settings and click empty to browse the folder of the Windows Server that I have. Then I click OK. Then after that, I click show to run the Windows Server to proceed on installing. So here, I choose standard evaluation server with a GUI. Just click next and accept the license terms and choose custom install and just click next. So just wait here until it becomes 100%. So here, you need to restart now to proceed from installing your Windows Server. So in here, you just type your password to open your Windows Server. Just submit and just wait, and it will go to your Internet Explorer. So you need to just check the use recommendations.
Yes,
and here I'm trying to search the www.google.com if I can access if it is already okay.